When I first started as a makeup artist, I struggled. I was good at makeup, but I wasn't making money. I kept wondering, what am I doing wrong? Today, I want to share with you the top 3 mistakes that stop makeup artists from getting clients and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1: doing too much free makeup. I used to do free makeup for friends, neighbors, even strangers. At first, I thought it would help me practice. But the truth is, it made people stop valuing my work. If you keep giving your skill away for free, people won't take you seriously. Yes, practice is important, but set boundaries. Even if you charge a small fee, let people know your time and skill are valuable. Mistake number 2: not having clear pricing. Sometimes I would charge 2,000 naira, other times 5,000 naira, and clients were confused. Inconsistency makes people doubt your professionalism. What you need is a clear price list. When clients know exactly what to expect, they are more likely to trust you and pay without arguments. Mistake number 3: not marketing online. In today's world, your Instagram or TikTok is your portfolio. When people search for a makeup artist, the first place they check is online. If they don't see you, they'll find someone else. Start posting your work. It doesn't have to be perfect. Short tutorials, before and after shots, or even client transformations. Consistency online will bring you clients offline. Here's a bonus tip: don't just copy others. I used to follow trends blindly, but the day I created my own unique style was the day clients started remembering me. Find what makes your makeup different. Maybe it's how you do brows or the way you blend foundation. Your signature style is what makes you stand out. So, to recap, don't do too much free makeup, set clear prices, and show up online. Avoid copying others, and instead, create your own brand identity. If you want to learn exactly how to build a beauty brand that pays, I wrote an ebook called How to Turn Your Makeup Skill into a Paying Brand. Inside, I share step-by-step strategies to grow from just a skill into a real business. Click the link in my bio or description and grab your copy today. Bye. See you inside.